Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, the economic tide seems to be rising, and so do interest rates. There hasn't been any first-tier economic data out of the US overnight, but the second-tier data has been notably positive. The Chicago Fed's National Activity Index was up to a 3-month high in January, and the Dallas Fed's Regional Factory Survey was also positive, even if it was taken before the recent Arctic storm. A sharp rise in new orders was a standout feature. American mortgage rates are turning higher in the wake of the sharp rise recently in benchmark bond yields. And across the Atlantic, they're worried about those benchmark interest rates as well. At the same time, the German IFO Business Sentiment Survey improved by much more than expected in their February edition, perhaps suggesting the ECB will have a hard time keeping its policy rates low. And in China, mortgage rates there are turning higher too. Meanwhile, Beijing remains focused on its food security issues. Its upcoming Communist Party meeting to adopt a new 5-year plan places food security as issue number 1. And the wobble in the iron ore price was short-lived, with prices trending higher yesterday. But other mineral prices like copper are stealing the limelight, with rises for tin, nickel, lithium and zinc also in an upward trend. US Treasury 10-year yield is up 1 basis point today at 1.35%, and near a new yearly high. And the price of gold will start today up $27 to $1,812 an ounce. And oil prices are up by about $2 a barrel, and they're just on $61 a barrel in the US, while the international price is just under $64 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar opens at 73.3 US cents as commodity currencies twist back into favour, and aided in our case by a credit rating upgrade. Against the Australian dollar, we're now at 92.6 Australian cents, and against the euro, we're at 60.3 euro cents. That means our trade-weighted index is held at just over 74.3. And the Bitcoin price is now at $53,528, and 7.2% lower than this time yesterday. It is now well off of the record set about 24 hours ago at $58,832. Volatility, however, has been extreme at plus or minus 12%. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.